Hey, we have a Whirlpool top load washer and with a flat agitate, so no agitation, big capacity, and model number on this one excuse me, WTW 5000DW3, and few others if come with looking like this, doesn't matter. So different model. So most, again, Whirlpool and few other washers, so we not talk about it, but we specific to talk about Whirlpool. So if it's making funny noise, so you say grinding or any other noising, you will hear about this. So it's few things you have to check. So make sure the wash plate is good, it's not loose. So this is the first thing you have to check. Don't mix with the spin cycle, so that's a totally different repair, and I'm talking about different noise. So I mean grinding noise, so if it's something make funny noise, you hear that. So few things you have to check: wash plate, we not talk about again on a spin cycle. The spin cycle, if it's make noise, that's gonna be a gear case bearing issue, so that's not the case. And then once we check that one was good, then we can let the washer back so we can access underneath. Then we can check belt, pulley kits, drive motor and other stuff. So we will check those. Gonna be the most issue if they make kind of funny noise. So we will check one by one. So I just tilted back there so we can reach underneath. So underneath you have to check the belt. You have to check the belt. If the belt worn out or get dry, they have a lifetime. Once a while they get dry, and on agitation goes left and right, so it's make kind of noise, and so we have to check that one. So to do that, we just need to remove it. Alrighty, so first thing you have to check the belt. So if see any sign of crack or worn area, then I mean dry, if you pay attention on the rubber, they once a while, they for some reason they get dry. So, or leaking from transmission, also that's gonna make that kind of noise as well. At the same time, so once the oil leak, and then the pulley kit, which is I have here just an example. So that also make kind of grinding noise. To find out, so always pay attention between these two. If these two parts, this kit pulley drive was worn out, then you will see kind of powder, white powder right here. So that will give you idea. So you have to replace this part, or take this knob off, then collage, then you can able to remove that part off. So but in this case I check behind here, so there's nothing on. So far we check belt and this pulley kit, which I explained, these two goes here if I'm not wrong. So during the agitation, these teeth goes here. If this one worn, so you will see white powder around here, then you have to replace this one. So we check those two with the wash palette, and now as you can see, it's nothing, it's a coin inside, but we will take care of them. So the next, this is the problem now. Okay, so so it goes on, see, so once it goes to agitation, or is make a lot of big noise. So pay attention on those two. So in this case we have a bad motor, so we need to replace that. These are the, I believe 4 common issue, which is most. First, check the wash plate and make sure the belt is not worn or not dry. Then make sure those kits are good and they have a good teeth all around. So don't worry about those kind of grease, that's not a big deal. But if you're facing with the oil, just make sure even if those get oil between those belt and pulley, so during the agitation make a kind of noise as well. Yeah, these are be the most common problem on this kind of washer, and we will go ahead and replace that one in just a minute. Now we can remove this connection, which is already disconnected. You need a flat screwdriver. Pull this one a little back, then use a flat screwdriver, then you're able to disconnect it. Once we're done with that, so we can put some on the side, then we need to remove these 2. So we remove one and then we remove the other. So you don't need to use, you have to use 2. So there you go. And just like that, but it's okay. So we need to replace this one anyway. So all right, so now we have this one, the old one, and this is mine. So I was listed on, always have parts on eBay, but do I need, since I need this one back, so I just use it. So again, so also don't do that. So as you can see, just this one drop off. It's not gonna, I'm not worried about this, but most be careful about the washer, so you don't need to crack or valve water or any damage to your washer. So easy way, just put on safe area, then remove these 2 screws, then you can able it. And I will go ahead and put these everything back, and since I'm doing with the one hand, so just go reverse, goes these 2, and then I will take a quick video how to put the belt on, and we're ready to go. So once you plug that connection wire, and then we're ready to put the belt, and we're ready to go. And don't judge me for that one, I forget to take that sticker off, but that's not a big deal. So you can use 2 hand, of course, definitely, but I'm just gonna use 1 hand. I hope I can make this one. So let's see. So you can start it from here, hook it up, then you can go unclockwise or clockwise, either way, whatever you prefer. You're good, then you can use, okay, halfway, then, and now we need to take care of this part. Since I'm doing this one, there you go, and just like that. So turn this one so the belt goes right place, and just like that. Already hope this video help out, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your friend, and see you on next video. Thank you.